Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. Let's make this mac and cheese in the oven today. This is inspired on TikTok. It's super easy. It's very, very good. I have a little secret at the end for doctoring it. It does absorb the liquid really fast, but it is good and easy. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button and let's make this. I have a 13 by 9 pan here, and I put 2 blocks of feta cheese here in the middle. I bought the feta cheese at Costco. This is what it is. 2 blocks came in it. I'm sure you can find feta cheese at the grocery store, no problem. We're going to add little macaroni pasta around here. You can use whatever pasta you want as long as it's small, okay? So I'm gonna put in a whole pound or 16 ounces or 454 grams. I'm going to put olive oil on here. Let's say a teaspoon of garlic powder, some black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano. I'm gonna add some smoked paprika to this, half a teaspoon, and some thyme leaves, okay? I am not gonna salt this now because the feta cheese has salt, plus we're gonna add some Parmesan when it's done, so no salt. We'll adjust it after it's done, okay? So we're gonna say 3 sprigs of thyme. All right, I'm adding 4 cups of half and half to this. And this is whole milk with cream, so half cream, half whole milk. If you don't have half and half, you can mix it. We're gonna put this in an oven that preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 centigrade for 30 minutes. But first I'm gonna kind of stir this. Oh, well, we'll see. I'll see you when this is ready. Guys, 20 minutes have gone by. I took this out and now I'm just going to stir the pasta a little bit. I have to tell you that this smells pretty wonderful. We want the pasta to finish cooking in the next 10 minutes evenly. So I'm gonna put this back for the remaining 10 minutes and I will come back to you. All right, 30 minutes have gone by. We're going to start mixing the cheese with the pasta. Oosh. Oh my gosh, look at that creaminess. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of, this is Romano cheese, you can do Parmesan. I'm also gonna add some freshly cracked pepper. Oh wow, guys. Wasn't that amazingly easy, guys? Thank you, TikTok, for this great idea. I'm gonna taste it for salt. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. Guys, if you don't serve this immediately, it's going to get very thick on you. So I wanna show you how to doctor it, okay? So all I'm gonna do is add more cream, more half and half. That's 1 cup, and just mix it in. Noodles always, you know, absorb sauces really fast, but this is a way to doctor this so that when you're ready to eat it, it looks, you know, it's not as thick. Now you can just adjust the salt if you have to, and you are ready. So let's taste this. Oh my gosh, it is creamy, delicious, The cheeses in there are beautiful with all the spices we put in there. This is a winner, guys. I hope you make it. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you soon.